Of this chart that I'm going to show you here, showing sterling pounded. In yesterday's session, we saw a move of more than 3 standard deviations to the downside. Could we see sterling touch those post-referendum lows with more political drama in the next couple of weeks?
We certainly could, and of course it depends on the politics. I mean, the headline, sterling's been headline driven for a while, particularly over the last couple of days. And of course the future of Prime Minister May over the next few days, the next couple of weeks is really part of this, really imperative. And what she's trying to do, and what she has done really over the last 24 hours, is sound defiant. And I think partly that has helped to stabilise the pound. It has been really quite stable in the last, most of the last days, certainly over Asian hours. And really she's sounding defiant. She's refusing to answer any questions about her leadership, even though there's lots of rumours out there that the Tories, certain Tories are trying obviously to oust her, to topple her. And what she's still trying to do is drum up support for that deal that she struck. Now, yesterday, a number of MPs said there wasn't enough support in Parliament for that deal. She is still trying to get that support. Of course, investors know if she doesn't get that support for that deal in Parliament, the risk of a hard Brexit becomes really quite large, and that is, of course, what sterling's waiting for.
The thing is, Jane, I mean, that whether she gets the support in Parliament or not, that question has almost been pushed a little bit to the back burner with all the political crisis that's happened over the past 24 hours. In terms of what traders should do now with sterling, would you be advising them to sell on any rallies? As you say, we're seeing a little bit of stabilisation today, or to take the opportunity and buy on dips?
Well, you know what? I think most people are actually out of the market. I think people are waiting on the headlines, and I think you really do, waiting on the sidelines, and I think you really do have to be brave to be involved in sterling now, because this is very, very difficult. Is it
untradeable?
It's for a lot of people, yes. And it's only really the brave, the speculators that will be taking a position. But I think the news over the weekend could really be crucial, and whether or not she's beginning to get a bit more support, or whether or not it looks like she is going to be ousted, I think by Monday morning we should have a little bit more clues on that, and that should obviously give direction for sterling.